been a while since I've had an update, but oh my gosh, it's been crazy. Finally broke ground on the commercial building today. Excavated, marked out where this new steel Quonset hut's gonna be going, and gravel. And I think we'll be ready to pour the foundation Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, right before Thanksgiving. So that's gonna be crazy and amazing. The house is pretty much ready for move-in. Just finishing up some final paint today. We're gonna start moving in tomorrow, actually. I can't believe it, but we're actually gonna finally start moving in. The driveway has been super clutch with all of the trucks coming in and out of here. It's been really great to have a super wide driveway that has access 2 ways all throughout to access and exit points. One of my favorite updates, oh my gosh. Okay, so this is just a temporary sign because the county comes out and puts it in, but at my other house, it's been over a year and I'm still waiting for our street sign. So I just got my own little temporary sign. I'm super excited. And then I also got these reflector posts to help just kind of protect these culverts. And at night, they are super reflective. So we got those installed yesterday. Got my mailboxes in. They're just kind of temporarily up. I need to come up with a permanent solution fix. I bought different post hardware and mailbox hardware, and it's not compatible. So those are just up for now, but it will be more permanent. And I laid my front lawn grass seed, gosh, probably like a week and a half ago. So the weather has been crazy. It's been getting below freezing every night, and then it's been getting like in the 60s during the day. So I'm just keeping this top inch layer wet at all times as much as I can when it's not freezing. And I'm starting to see all my little baby sprouts come in. It's kind of hard to see, but you can kind of see it coming up. So hopefully if we can get more of a warm spell and not so much freezing. I think my grass is really confused. It's nice and sunny and wet during the day, and then frozen overnight. So I know that it's super late to have gotten this seeded, but I'm just hoping to get a really base layer in before winter, and then as soon as it's warm enough in the spring, I'll overseed and replenish and really get this lawn going. I only went to here. Eventually I'm gonna seed this whole hillside, but Duke, I'm waiting on you. They're still supposed to remove this old power pole. In fact, these lower comm lines are so low that the day I was seeding my lawn, a truck drove by, just a regular tractor trailer, and hit one of the comm lines and it snapped over here. Thankfully no one was in the path. So yeah, I don't know when that's gonna be. All this grading pretty much done, aside the power pole and guide wire obstruction. So it looks amazing. It's just like this gentle rolling slope on this whole edge. Try to pull a snippet of what this looked like before, but man, everything looks so good. There's still a ton of little things that I need to do, but once I get these final paint touch-ups in tonight, we're gonna start assembling beds and moving in. That view just never gets old. Even in the winter with everything bare, it's so beautiful. So this is the first part of the deck. We're gonna expand it eventually, but for now, I really just needed to get us out of the house onto the ground. Tomorrow I'm gonna just put up a really temporary dog run so that we can just let our dog out. She'll be, just have a very small dog run so that we're not stepping in poop all over the yard, and it'll just be contained for now until I can expand this. I am like so out of money, negative money, so just had to really put a pause on everything. In fact, my steel building, even though we're pouring the foundation next week, I probably am gonna have to delay assembly until January because I just need to save up some funds to actually assembling it. Oh my God, I'm so happy with this little basement entry. Was just a disaster. And the guys just did an amazing job finishing it out to be so just adorable, like matches the rest of the house. We're gonna get it painted here, but we got the roofing on, and then I had these doors. The guys just custom made them for me. I told them exactly what I wanted. I picked up all the pressure treated wood, showed them some pictures to kind of give an idea of what I wanted, and then they executed it. So I'm gonna whitewash paint this eventually, but oh my gosh, I just love. I love diagonal herringbone, and then ugh, the basement's disgusting, but this makes it look like you're going to such a happy place, even though it's like this basement dungeon. So yeah, I'm really happy with how that turned out. But once we wrap up paint touch-ups here later this evening, I'll try to pop in here maybe tomorrow morning and give a tour of the inside that is almost finished. And yeah, we're gonna start moving in. I'm super excited. It's gonna be nice to actually be sleeping under the new roof, and then it's a mad dash. The rest of this month is gonna be so stressful because I really need to get moved out of my warehouse. And after this weekend, I'll have something like 10 days, I think, to do that. It's massive, and I don't have any money to hire movers, so it's just gonna be me, friends, and family, and Thanksgiving's in there too, so I don't know. It's gonna be a lot of sleepless nights, but it'll be the last miracle that I pull out of my hat. I think this year is getting that warehouse moved. I need to consolidate the shipping containers. They're just like a mess in there throughout construction. We just kept throwing stuff in there. So I need to really like organize and consolidate those tomorrow, and then trailer by trailer load, start moving it over. And a lot of it will just be purging stuff, donating and purging junk that made the move with us from California that I didn't really have time to sort through. So exciting. I have a ton of updates on video. I just haven't had a time to cut and edit them together. So that's the update for now. Super excited. The next update will come after we're living in the house.